and welcome to CashPeek. Quick video today to take you through the navigation of the home page on CashPeek, show you how easy and simple it is to do things like hide budgets or set budget to actuals, show you where everything's located. So effectively, my little button up here is my home button. I can push that at any time, no matter where I am in CashPeek, and that'll take me to the home screen. We can see here, I've got my budgets. These ones here are starred, which means they appear on the home page. So if I click view all budgets, you'll see I've got quite a list of budgets here. So I might want to hide my master budget so no one gets in and making any changes, but keep the star on my good season budget and my scenario 2 budget. Go back to my home page and we'll see that they're now added here. My master budget's hidden, out of sight, out of mind. Really, really simple to do. Here I've got a quick budget to actuals comparison. Now I can change the budget that I want to compare by simply clicking on the down arrow and taking a quick pick and then deciding which budget I want to display. So we've got a line graph as well as a bar graph here, which display the information. Really quick snapshot of where you are, mapped to the latest actuals, which we've been brought in from Xero. I can then make that my default by clicking on the thumbtack there, and away we go. So really simple in terms of operating the home screen. I've got the setup here. Previously we've spoken, that's where we add collaborators. I can create budgets. I can copy budgets. I can view my actuals. That's the home screen for CashPeek. Pretty simple, pretty effective, and a better way to budget with CashPeek.